We are entering an era where wealth is becoming nomadic, fluid, and without borders. Did you know there are tens of millions of millionaires in the world? And that together, they hold almost half of the planet's total wealth? Now imagine if a portion of them decided to leave their home countries. It wouldn't just be a small economic detail, it would be a real global earthquake. And that's exactly what's happening. In recent years, we've been witnessing an unprecedented phenomenon, the exodus of the wealthy. A massive, quiet, but very real movement, one that some experts already describe as the greatest transfer of wealth in modern history. These individuals, known as HNWIs, high net worth individuals, hold significant fortunes, and above all, highly mobile ones. Their relocation from one country to another is slowly but surely redrawing the map of global economic power. At first, it was just a few isolated cases. But today, the movement is growing. What once looked like a few exceptions has become a genuine long-term trend. And with every departure, a share of investment, jobs, and prosperity disappears. So why are they leaving? The first reason is taxation. In several European countries, such as France or the United Kingdom, tax pressure has reached record levels. For these wealthy individuals, staying means watching a large part of their wealth vanish in taxes. So many of them simply decide to change address. But it's not just about money. These departures also reflect a search for political stability, a better quality of life, and a safer economic environment. These entrepreneurs want to live in countries that reward success, not punish it. And some destinations have learned how to take advantage of that. Dubai, for instance, now attracts a huge share of these wealthy expatriates. Zero income tax, ultra-modern infrastructure, and a crypto-friendly climate. Switzerland, on the other hand, remains a safe haven with its stability and its famous Crypto Valley. And quite unexpectedly, Italy has transformed itself. A flat tax on foreign income was enough to attract thousands of new fortunes. Meanwhile, the so-called losing countries are seeing their economic fabric weaken. Because wealth isn't just a number in a bank account, it's an engine. It creates jobs, businesses, consumption, and investment. When that capital leaves, an entire ecosystem starts to erode. Some experts downplay this phenomenon, saying it only concerns a minority. That may be true, but the impact is enormous. When the wealthy leave, they take with them a country's economic momentum. What's happening here isn't just a transfer of money. It's a shift in the world itself. We're entering an era where wealth is nomadic, fluid, and borderless. An era where countries no longer own their rich citizens. It's the rich who choose their countries. And while some nations close their doors, others open them wide. The question is no longer how many are leaving, but how far will this movement go? If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and most importantly, turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any of our upcoming videos. See you very soon for another deep dive into the changing world.